Every smartphone came with the default download manager, but let's face it, the default downloaders are very slow, don't have pause and resume capabilities, they don't have download accelerators, generally they don't have advanced features. So what shall we do? Don't panic, I have a solution. I will show you 5 best download managers for your Android. This is Mickey from BTech. I will ease your life by providing advanced app and technologies. So subscribe at the bottom and tap the bell button to notify you. Download Manager for Android is known to be one of the best download manager apps for Android on the market. It allows free downloading of any files and claims to provide 3 times faster downloading speed than other downloaders. Along with its user-friendly interface, it also carries a built-in file manager in the browser. It features web page bookmark manager, speech recognition, and also has the option to pause and resume large downloads. If you wish to download any videos from Instagram or Facebook or MP3 files from the supported website, you can do that directly from this particular browser. On the top bar, you can get most of the supported website and you can browse and download whatever you want. It also have a built-in file manager, and once you downloaded the file, they are categorized according to their type in the app, so they can become easier to access. Also, it have music player. If you want to preview the soundtrack, you just download it. Download Accelerator Plus. Download Accelerator Plus is another well-suited Android download manager app to download content easily. Its outstanding feature including directly download to the SD card, built-in browser with multiple tabs, auto-resume capabilities of interrupted downloads, and many more. It can auto-cache downloadable links whenever you copy to clipboard or open downloadable links in your browser. You can even log into your Google account and back up your download data. The app uses a smart error handling feature to prevent downloading trace interruption. I like about this app is that everything is neatly sorted, and you can tap on the left side bar to browse the kind of file you have downloaded. Music, video, document, everything will be right there. Another good thing about this app is one can resume a download even if when the link expires. All you have to do is copy the link again and the download will be resumed. This advanced download manager app is well designed for use in tablets. You can also set the maximum speed for downloading. Apart from English, it's also available in other languages. It's free with in-app purchase and contain ads. The premium version removes all ads and also allows you to schedule downloads. Turbo Download Manager. Turbo Download Manager, commonly known as TDM. TDM is an excellent tool that aims to provide reliable file downloading even on low bandwidths. You can use the built-in browser or your default Android browser. It supports Chrome, Firefox, UC browser, and other browsers. Turbo can boost your speed by using multiple connections and fine-tunes it with additional speed performance setting. This downloader for Android can run up to 10 multiple threads. You can pause or resume downloads anytime. Even when your screen is turned off, it will continue downloading and notify you. Turbo allows you to download directly to your SD card. You can access up to 3 parallel downloads. MD5 hash validation ensures that your download files are not corrupted. Turbo Download Manager is free with no in-app purchase but contains ads. IDM Download Manager. Not to be confused with the popular download manager for Windows. The IDM Download Manager is for Android download tools. It claims to provide 5 times faster downloading speeds along with the flexibility to download any files. You can download from your default browser or email by using the link share or even by entering the URL manually. Apart from download management, this fast file downloader also comes with a built-in browser, file manager, music, and video player. IDM supports download from HTML5 web pages and also gives you the ability to pause, resume, or cancel downloads anytime. It is a simple yet well-organized app that is available for free. It has some in-app purchase and also contains ads. Advanced Download Manager. Advanced Download Manager, commonly known as ADM, it's a powerful Android app. It lets you download any types of file. It can support 3 simultaneous downloads. You can increase the number of download like this on this button or decrease it as you wish. It accelerates the download speed by using up to 9 thread instances. You can decrease the thread instances like this or increase like this. The download speed can be adjusted by you. On this bar, you can decrease it or increase it as you wish. One of the best features I like about ADM is it can be configured to download just over the Wi-Fi network. In this way, I can queue my downloads in a data network until the phone gets Wi-Fi network and it will start automatically. To enable this feature, you should click only via Wi-Fi button in the settings.